Hi, I'm Chelsea from AHA. What's a feedback loop in product development? Let's break down why feedback loops matter and how to use them effectively. A feedback loop is a continuous cycle where you collect input, take action, and adjust based on what you learn. It's how systems and product teams respond to information over time. You actually use feedback loops in your everyday life, even if you don't call them that. When your navigation app reroutes to avoid traffic or your headphones adjust to block noise, that's a feedback loop responding to real-time data. So in product development, feedback loops help you gather customer insights, prioritize what to build, and adjust what's next. Instead of guessing what users need, you create a system where their input continuously shapes your product roadmap. But here's what a lot of teams get wrong. They wait until after launch to establish those feedback loops. Okay, my product shipped. Now let's see what customers think. That's not how you do it. It's much more effective to have feedback loops start earlier in the process. Build them into your discovery. Talk to users before you define any requirement. Then test your assumptions with prototypes. Use what you learn to guide prioritization and delivery decisions. This creates a rhythm where you're constantly validating direction, not just reacting after releases. If you want to learn more about building products customers love, visit aha.io for frameworks, templates, and product management best practices.